Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Biology World. Today, this video is focused on National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. In this video, we will be diving into essential tips, strategies, and insights to help you prepare effectively for this crucial examination. Here are top 8 proven tips to achieve success in medical entrance exam. Number 1. Early start. Begin your preparation as early as possible. Neet is a highly competitive exam, and starting early gives you more time to cover the syllabus thoroughly and revise multiple times. Number 2. Understand the syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the Neet 2024 syllabus and exam pattern. Create a study plan that covers all the topics and allocates sufficient time for each subject. Number 3. Quality study material. Use recommended textbooks, study guides, and reference materials that are aligned with the NEET syllabus. High-quality study material can make a significant difference in your preparation. Number 4. Time management. Devise a realistic study schedule that allows for regular breaks and leisure time. Effective time management will help you stay organized and reduce stress during the preparation period. Number 5. Take mock tests. Regularly take mock tests and previous year's question papers to assess your preparation level. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to focus on areas that need improvement. Number 6. Analyze performance. After each mock test, analyze your performance and review the questions you got wrong. Understand the concepts behind the mistakes and work on improving those areas. Number 7. Revision. Consistent revision is crucial for retaining information. Set aside dedicated time for revision to reinforce your understanding of key topics. Number 8. Stay healthy and positive. Ensure you take care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and engage in exercise. Just follow these tips. Keep working hard and stay positive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe Biology World for more content like this.